This tutorial video is about collocations. You might be asking, what is a collocation? A collocation refers to the habitual co-occurrence of certain words or phrases in natural language. In other words, collocations are words that often appear together due to the conventions of a particular language. These combinations of words may not always follow strict grammatical rules, but are instead based on common usage and native speaker intuition. Collocations can involve various parts of speech, including verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, and conjunctions. They are essential for achieving natural and fluent language use because they reflect how words are typically used in context. For example, in English we often say make a decision, take a shower, heavy rain, high chance, deep sleep, or fast food. So these word pairings are considered collocations because they are frequently used together by native speakers. Understanding and using collocations correctly can enhance language proficiency as they contribute to the idiomatic and nuanced aspects of communication. They help convey meaning effectively and allow language learners to sound more natural and fluent in their speech or writing. So can you think of any more examples of collocations? Discuss them with your teacher in class.